Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will tell you that how you can create an Upwork profile. Okay, so this is really simple. You just have to watch this video until the very end, so you don't make like any kind of mistakes. Okay, so first of all you need to open up your browser here, and then you will open up the Upwork here. Okay, so you will open up Upwork here, and then you will open up the first link, which is the Upwork, the world's work marketplace. So Upwork is a freelancing platform on which you can actually create your profile and do the freelance work based upon your skills. Okay, so once you are into this page here, you will just click on this option, which is this sign up option at the top right here. You can see you will just click on it, and then now after this it will ask you that join as a client or freelancer. So basically, if you are a company or if you are a client, and if you want to hire someone for work, then you will click on this. Okay, I am a client hiring for a project. And basically, if you are a freelancer and if you want to actually earn money by doing work, then you have to click on this one. So I will just select this option here, and then you will click on this one where it says apply as a freelancer. And once you do that, now there are like three methods which you can basically use to actually like make an Upwork account. So the first one is for Mac. If you have a Mac device, you can continue with Apple here. And the second one is Gmail. So if you can actually basically sign up with your Gmail account as well. Okay, and if you don't like both, you can basically just go on and make your own account. Okay, so I will just like make an my new account here. So what I will do here, I will just put up my name here, which is the like Oman. Or what I can do here, I can just go and continue with the Google here. So I will just tap on this one, and it will show up my accounts here. So what I will do here, I will just choose this account here, which is the Noman Khalid Studio. And after this, okay, so sign up to find more work, and then you have to select your country here. Mine is Pakistan, and then you will click on this check mark, and then you will create tap on create my account. So we just have to wait until it's done all of its work. Your account has been successfully created, redirected you. Okay, so here it says that our account is successfully created and redirecting you. So as you can see now that our account has been created successfully. So we just have to wait until it loads up our account. Okay, so now so now after when you actually see this page here, you will just click on this option where it says get started. It will ask some questions, so a few quick questions. The first one, so now you have to tell it that if you are a brand new to this, if you have some kind of experience, or if you are an expert. So I will recommend you to basically select this option. Okay, so I have some experience, and then you will click on next here. And now it is asking that what's your biggest goal for freelancing. Okay, so my biggest goal is basically to earn my main income. So I will just click on this, and then I will click on next here. Then you have to click on this, I would like to find opportunities myself. I would like to package my work for clients to buy. So you will just click on these two, and then also click on this one, I'm open to contract to hire opportunities. Start with a contract and later explore a full-time option with the client. And then next, create a profile here. Nice, now let's start setting up your profile. Okay, now here it says that if you have a LinkedIn profile, okay, you can actually import your all of your personal information from there. Or if you have a CV, then you can also upload that it. And if you want, you can actually fill out the your personal information manually. So you will just click on this. Now here it says that add a title to tell the world what you do. So let's suppose that if you are a content writer, then you have to write that here. Okay, so I will just write here like this one, professional content writer, and then you can just do this professional content writer copywriting and YouTube script writer. So you can basically like something like this. Okay, and then you can basically tap on next, add your experience, and then you have to add any experience if you have. So if you have any kind of experience, then you will just tap on this plus option here. You can just add your title here, the company that you are working in or you had worked in, and location, and the start date or end date. So I don't have any experience right now, so I will just click on this nothing to add, and just or you can just skip this one. Okay, and you can actually also add this. And now clients like to know what you know, add your education here. Okay, so you can actually add your education also from here. Okay, like this one. You can actually add your school, your degree, your field of study, and all this stuff here. And nothing to add, and add languages. Now you have to add languages. Okay, so English is a must, so it is predefined here. So you have to select the proficiency level of your English. So I will just select fluent, and then you will add another language. So I will just know my add my own language, which is my native language basically. And then you can also add your own native language here, and then you will just click on next, add your skills. And now based upon the title that we have set, it is showing us some uh, good skills here. So professional tone, copywriting, ad copy, content writing, script, and YouTube. So we can just I think it's good. Then write an overview. Now you have to actually like, so this is the overview of your profile of what you do and what you offer. Okay, so we will actually get help from chat gpt from here, because chat gpt is a very great tool. So it will actually save our time basically. So we will just open it up here, try chat gpt. So we are basically making the profile for content writer, YouTube script writer. So we will just open up the chat gpt here, and we will see that if it helps us or not. Okay, so we will write something like this, write Upwork, write SEO optimized Upwork profile overview for content writer, copywriter, YouTube script writer. So as high quality content. So you can basically just copy and paste, and if you want you can basically just change it. Okay, so so we will just copy this from here. Okay, let's just copy it from here, and let's just paste it here. And where it says number of experience, so we will just add with over like let's suppose like 5 years of experience, including if you want you can actually add some niches here, various niches. So you can just add this one here, my approach, and you can basically just, and if you want you can actually change it little bit according to your needs, but I'm satisfied with this. And then choose next. What are the main services that you are offering? So content writing and this one. And again you can basically, because we are okay, I think it's good here. And then next, set your rate. Now you have to set the rate. Okay, So basically your account is new. Okay, so you have to like set the hourly rate that basically reflects your account. So you will just, so I will recommend to actually start your rate with $5 per hour, because this is the lowest rate and your account is new. And once you are start getting the work, you have built your reputation, then you can actually increase your rate from here. And then the next one is add your photo and location. So the country will be Pakistan. Street address I will just show to Atak. I'm just writing this short, but you can always like enter your full address here. So city will be Atak, and state province will be Punjab. Postal code will be uh, 680 basically, and phone number will be like 312 151 0152. And then upload your own photo here. So we have to upload the photo here. So I'll just go into the desktop here and I'll just upload the photo. Okay, so we'll just upload the photo here and wait for it to basically, so this is the photo. You can basically want, if you want, you can basically zoom in and zoom out, but I think it's good. Then attach the photo here and we can just wait here. Okay, so what actually Punjab and this, and then what we can basically do here, that we can just check our profile here. And so we have done this basically. Why it is asking me again? The rate is this one. Wait, if we PK Attack City PB. Okay, so just check your profile here. Okay, so this is our profile here. Okay, so once you are done with this, the next step that you will do is you will just click on this one where it says submit your profile, and then the Upwork team will actually review your profile. Okay, so if there will be any kind of like errors in your Upwork profile, they will tell you and you have to fix that. And once you are done, and once they are done, they will actually send you an email and your account will be approved and you will start doing work on Upwork. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.